We're looking at number 4. Number 4 says select all the statements that together are sufficient to demonstrate that the triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle. Alright, so isosceles right triangle, what does that mean for us? So isosceles here means two congruent sides in a right triangle. Since we're talking about the triangle, there's one right angle. Alright, so for this type of problem, maybe I would draw it out but not on the graph because you could take too much time. So I'll draw it out like this. Because again, remember, we're looking at it at a computer screen. So the first thing says the slope of AB is 3 over 4. Well, we got to be able to demonstrate that this is 3 over 4. So what I would do is put my finger on top of A and count all the way up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, slope is rise over run. And right away I can see the slope of AB is not 3 over 4 because we just saw that the rise is 4. Only option here would be the B. Now let's just make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we get 4 over 3. Okay. So a rise 4 over 3. Okay, so that's correct right there. BC. Let's do the slope between for C to B. Or we could do B to C. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we went down 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like the slope going down is going to be negative 4 over, or negative 3 over 4. So this negative 3 over 4 doesn't make sense. So right there, it's going to be wait, which one did I cross out? Oh no, I crossed out the wrong one. So when you do your strike through, fix it. This is correct. Make sure you look at your work, especially when it's on a computer, because you don't know if you strike through it or not. So we have the slope of AB is 4 over 3, and then we have a negative 3 over positive 4 to the right 4. So that kind of confirms we have a right angle. And just by looking at it, by touching the computer screen, kind of seeing the different height and length, and when you're doing it, you can maybe keep track of it by going like 4, 3, counting it. That's going to be negative 3 because we went down 3. Then we went like over positive 4. Okay, next one. They want us to see which one is true. Well, it's an isosceles triangle, so two sides have to be equal. Well, we can kind of just, it's a calculator section, so we can just kind of abuse it and see what is going to be true. Negative, and that's going to be 9. So what I suggest is just rewriting it. Keep yourself organized. We get 9 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Get 16 because the square root of 4 is 16. 9 plus that's 25. So we get to 5. Let's just check this one. Negative 7. Which is going to be 49. Plus 1. Oh. Right away I can see 50 is not going to equal. Does not equal square root of 25. So I'm not going to even go any further. Let's just confirm the last one works. I'll move it up. And one thing I noticed right away is this is the same as that. Don't waste your time and do it again. They're the exact same. You know, that's 5, so then right here it's 2 minus 6 squared plus 11 minus 8 squared. You get negative 4, which is positive 16. 9, 10, 11, that's 3 plus 9. 25, it's not square root of 5, it's 5. So you get 5, and 5 does equal 5. So that distance formula does work, so the last one that would be right is that. So our 3 answers here would be this, this, and this. And probably make use of the strike through tool, but also check your work. Look, I could have gotten this answer wrong because I used the strike through tool.